What you need and don't need for your first food safety audit. Preparing for your first food safety audit can be overwhelming, and knowing what you need and don't need to make the process smoother and more successful is essential. What you need for your food safety audit. Comprehensive food safety plan. A well-documented and implemented food safety plan is the foundation of a successful food safety audit. This plan should include standard operating procedures, SOPs, good manufacturing practices, GMPs, hazard analysis, critical control points, HACCP plan, and other relevant food safety programs. Make sure your plan is up to date and covers all aspects of your operations, from receiving and storage to processing and packaging. Train staff. Your employees play a crucial role in maintaining food safety in your facility. Ensure that all your staff, including managers, supervisors, and production workers, are properly trained in food safety practices, hygiene, and sanitation. Regular training sessions and refresher courses can help ensure that your team is well prepared for the food safety audit. Documented records. Keeping accurate and up-to-date records is essential for a successful food safety audit. This includes records of temperature logs, cleaning schedules, employee training records, supplier documentation, and other relevant documents. Organize and maintain these records in a systematic and accessible manner for easy retrieval during the audit. Pre-audit preparation. Review your food safety plan, records, and procedures thoroughly before the audit. Conduct internal audits to identify potential gaps or non-compliances and promptly take corrective actions. This will help you identify and address any issues before the actual audit and ensure that you are well prepared for the audit process. What you don't need for your food safety audit. The stress of managing the audit alone. Managing a food safety audit can be daunting, especially if it's your first time. You don't need the added stress of navigating the complex audit process alone. Hiring a reputable food safety consulting firm, such as SFPM Consulting, can provide the expertise and guidance you need to ensure a successful audit. We offer a proven food safety audit certification process and assign a dedicated project manager to help you stay focused on your audit goals and easily navigate the audit process. Overcomplicating your food safety plan. While having a comprehensive food safety plan is critical, you don't need to overcomplicate it. Keep your plan simple, practical, and tailored to your operations. Avoid unnecessary complexities that may confuse your employees and make implementing and maintaining the plan effectively challenging. Procrastination in pre-audit preparation. Procrastination can be detrimental to your food safety audit success. Delaying the pre-audit preparation can result in last-minute scrambles and increased stress. Start preparing for your audit well in advance by reviewing your food safety plan, conducting internal audits, and addressing any identified issues promptly. This will help you identify and rectify any gaps or non-compliances in a timely manner, ensuring that you are well prepared for the actual audit. SFPM Consultant keeps you on track with our dedicated project manager. In conclusion, undergoing a food safety audit for the first time can be overwhelming, but it can be a smooth and successful process with the right approach and preparation. Ensure you have a comprehensive food safety plan, trained staff, documented records, adequate equipment and facilities, and proper pre-audit preparation. Additionally, consider seeking the assistance of a reputable food safety consulting firm, such as SFPM Consulting, to provide you with expert guidance and support throughout the audit process. Remember, you don't need the stress of managing the audit alone. By following these guidelines and seeking professional help when needed, you can confidently navigate your first food safety audit and ensure the safety and quality of your food products. Contact us for a proven food safety audit certification process and a dedicated project manager to help you stay focused on your audit goals.